All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. There we are. Yes, enjoy. Like here, enjoy. Let's get it. Very good. Enjoy. Very good. Yes. How cool is that? So to have fun with something. Fun. Fun with something. I want to enjoy the food. Enjoy the food. We will enjoy the day. Enjoy the day, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How are you going to enjoy your weekend, for example? Your weekend, how? Yeah. Did you enjoy the meetings? Well, he did not enjoy them. I enjoyed them. They were very smart. He did not enjoy them, but I did. Yeah. How cool is that? Very good. Very good, yeah. So she enjoyed reading it. Yes, so I have a book about English law and I am enjoying to read it. Yes, a book about English law. Yeah, quite a big book, but I am enjoying it. Very insightful. Wow. Yeah. Well, let's move all that. Very good. I enjoy it all. So I enjoy learning new things. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. Yes. How cool is that? I enjoy it all. Yeah. Did you enjoy speaking to them? Did you enjoy speaking to them? Why don't you think he will enjoy it? He will enjoy it. Why won't he enjoy it? But why won't he? Why won't he enjoy reading that book? I'm not sure. Yeah. He might enjoy it if it was about science. Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. So I enjoy a lot of things, but I mainly enjoy working on my goals. Enjoy working. I enjoy my goals, objectives, working towards a task, working towards something. Very important. Yeah. She enjoys the music. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. Yeah. How cool is that? So, enjoy. Now, can you use enjoy in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.